Hey guys, I'm gonna be probably making videos of these door closers now for a while now, since I don't know when I'm gonna go to a building that has closers. But I like these arms because you can mount them in weird ways. As you can see, it's mounted like this right now. I have this tool, so if I untighten this, if this is even the right way, here's one of the funny positions. If I tighten that. If I tighten that, I'll have to pull the arm and then open it. But there we go. But as you can see, no, I've never seen a door closer actually look like that. Or the one from this angle, it makes it really stiff. Yeah, it does squeak a bit. And then you can also do another angle, which I've actually seen before. Actually, one of the angles was actually at one of the Butlins videos. I thought it was broken, but that's how far I can go. I just need to tighten it up. There it is. It does make it lighter, actually, I've just realised, but yeah. It does make it slam a bit also. But yeah, that's the weird mount you can do with the slide arm on closers. I have the Brighton one, as you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna pop this back to normal now. So, see if I can get it perfect timing. Oh no, I failed. I forgot to turn it. Okay. Hold on.